Hello traders, I welcome you back again to my channel. In today's video, I have a very interesting topic and it is called the exhaustion phase. You can see it there in your screen. Today's topic, you learn how to detect the exhaustion phase in forex. So let me just give you an overview of what exhaustion phase is all about. But further, let me just give you an overview of what exhaustion phase is all about. We all know that exhaustion is just that particular period where, let me say that you are in a work and all of a sudden you become tired, you don't have strength again. You have already exhausted all your strength. So that's what happens in forex market too. Sometimes the market will have a very strong momentum. If it's in uptrend, it will have a very strong momentum to be going up. Or if it is downtrend, it will have a very strong momentum to keep going down. But all of a sudden, it will lose its strength and start fading away. That period is what we call exhaustion phase. But you know, there are certain things that when you see it in forex market, you know that the market is about to get to this exhaustion phase. If you stick to this video to the end, I'm going to show you those exhaustion phase, and I'll swear take you to live chart and give you instances. We are going to backtest it together. We're going to backtest the chart together. We'll know when market is about to lose its momentum and shift it to the next trend. That is what we call the exhaustion phase. Without taking much of our time, let me give you the overview, just as I've told before. Let's say that the market is forming a bearish candlestick. You know, the bearish candlestick is always the red one, pulling down, forming this kind of wick. Then the markets keep going down, pushing down, forming a candle. Now, all of a sudden, a candlestick, an indecision candlestick is being formed. This indecision candlestick is called dodge. It looks exactly like this. You can see this particular candlestick here. This candlestick is what we call the indecision candlestick, because whenever it is being formed, it doesn't show that a decision is being made. That means at that point, both the buyers and the sellers are in competition. Who is gonna win? Is it the buyer? Will the market go up for the buyers, or the market go down for the sellers? So at this point, it has gotten to a key level. So in my description of this video, I'm going to drop video on key levels, so you know the reason why this candlestick is being formed. So if you don't understand key level, I'll drop it in the description of this video. Click on it and understand what key level is all about. So when this candlestick is being formed, that means the market is about losing its strength. It has gotten to a certain key level. The momentum is about to shift. So, but that's not the end. You can't use this thing and start buying a selling market. What you do is just keep waiting. Another candlestick is being formed. This time around, it is a bullish candlestick, and with this kind of wick. But what's happened after the bullish candlestick? The market still didn't give us any decision that the market is about to go up or is about to go down. But with these two candlesticks that has been formed, it's already obvious that the market is gradually losing its strength. Because if you look at this candlestick, you see that it is massively bearish. If you look at this one, it is also massively bearish, including this one. But when it came to this one, everything now reduced. This one was actually formed a bullish candlestick, but it's still an institutional candlestick. You understand? You can't use this thing to confirm a trade and enter. You can use it to anticipate what's about to happen in the forex market. So you need to keep waiting, focus and keep waiting as a trader. Then the next one, a strong bearish candlestick was being formed, but this time around, it wasn't all that going up. It was still going down. You understand? This candlestick can be called a reversal candlestick. But this is just the few that I'm going to tell you about now. But there are more. If you want to know more about reversal candlestick, I'm going to drop it in the description of this video. So I'm going to drop reversal candlestick and key levels. So 2 videos is what if you don't understand them, it's in the description of the video. Then the next thing after this candlestick is being formed is something like this. Okay, still pushing down. You see that the market is actually going down, but this time around, actually the buyers have started entering the market. Because if you look at this market now, you see that the candle here is actually a bearish candle, but with this kind of wick that's been formed, so that the buyers in this candlestick, the buyers are actually the winner. So they push the market off to this level. So even though it is red, but still buyers are still in control. So that means the market is actually losing its strength. It is exhausting gradually. So after that, you see a massive candlestick that has been formed, very strong bullish candlestick. So this can be like a source of confirmation for you to enter your trade. You can place this trade at this point if you're in 1 hour time frame and set your stop loss somewhere here, and then keep riding with the trend. Do you understand? So this is what we call the exhaustion phase. Exhaustion phase is just those periods when the market starts losing its strength. So the candlestick that is being formed in this period is what shows that the market has reached exhaustion phase. There's another thing that's been formed in exhaustion phase is the pattern that is being formed. Candlestick that is being formed, pattern that is being formed, and then key level that causes the pattern that is being formed. I'm going to drop these 3 videos in the description of this particular video. So if you don't understand this 3 things, just click on any of them and understand it very, very well. This will help you as a trader. This course that people pay to learn, but I'm giving it out for free. So that's just the summary of what I have today. What I'm trying to say that this exhaustion phase actually happened within this period of time. You understand? Because here was when the market was actually in its trend, but all this manipulation phase started indicating themselves within this period of time. Do you understand? So when you see this going on, just know that the market is gradually losing its strength. If you are taking your profit, you can take it. If you're about to enter the new trend, then it's time for you to start anticipating. So just that period is what we call the exhaustion phase, guys. Very simple. This can be seen in both downtrend and also in uptrend. Due to time, I won't talk about the uptrend here. I'll just take you straight to the live chart where I will give you instances of this, both exhaustion phase in downtrend and as well as exhaustion phase in uptrend. So this is just all I have for you guys. Just know that this period was a period where the market started losing its strength. It started exhausting its trend. You understand? Trying to form another trend. This period is what we call the exhaustion phase. This period can be seen in both higher time frame, lower time frame, daily time frame, in all the time frame that you want to enter. You can use this exhaustion phase to exit a trade if you are previously in a trade, and you can also use this exhaustion phase to plan your entry if you want to enter a new trade. So guys, this is just all it is. So if you want to know more about this exhaustion phase, to understand it very, very well, you have to know your key levels. You have to know the charts and pattern that shows trend reversal, and as well the candlestick that shows trend reversal. I'm going to drop these three videos in the description. Anyone that I don't understand, just click on it and you understand them very, very well. So guys, let's go over to live chat now. So I'll give you instances because it's more better if you go to live chat. So you'll be seeing all this I've been telling you. Are you not enjoying this video together? I not enjoy the content. Is it not educative? It's not engaging. Like my video now. Subscribe to my channel. It won't cost you anything. And just like and subscribe. Let's continue. When I was in the overview, I want to say that whenever a chart have whole lots of weeks, like multiple weeks at a particular level, it also shows exhaustion. So whenever a chart is going up and all of a sudden it's stopped at a place, forming a long week. I drew that week there, but I forgot to tell you guys about it. But whenever you see that kind of week, just know that the market is actually trying to change its direction. Okay, let's just take a look at this particular chart pattern that's been formed here. This is my 100 moving average. This is a 4-hour time frame. You see that the market actually is in its downtrend, moving fine. But at a point, when you look at this now, you see that the market here was going up. You see the kind of bullish candlestick that's been formed here is very massive. What happened? You see the kind of this here, multiple week rejection took place within this particular period of time. There was a multiple week rejection where the market will hit at a particular place and reverse, form a week, go and hit it again, reverse, hit it again. It keeps hitting it, forming all this. Look at dodge that I told you about here. And this is hammer, inverted hammer. And after that, the market now reversed. You understand? And change its direction to a downtrend. That's just what exhaustion is all about. Now look at this particular one where the market was pushing up massively. So it's actually pushing up heavily. with a very strong bullish candlestick. Then once it's time, when the buyers are exhausted, it's time for the sellers to enter the trade. You said the kind of candlestick have been formed. This is the exhaustion candlesticks. These are indecision candlesticks, the doji. Then after that, another bullish candlestick was formed, and the market continued its trend. So this one is actually for a downtrend. Exactly what I told before is actually what is taking place now. So there's always a multiple week rejection. Indecision candlestick that shows trend reversal is always there. So now let's go. This from when the market is coming down. Let me take you to when the market is going up. Okay, this is where the market is going up. This is our Euro USD. So the market was actually pushing up at this point. You see how it was going massively. You see this kind of candlestick that was formed here. Some of them shows only one was dodgy, this one. Then this one was just normal market structure. Then you see this that happened here. The market hit here and reversed. It came up and formed this dodgy. And then the first one hits and reversed. Second one hits and reversed. Third one hits and reversed. It was unable to break at that particular level. You understand? That shows there's a multiple week rejection at that particular level. This is an exhaustion phase. The thing now pushes market down. And at this point, you see this multiple week rejection that happened here. Multiple week rejection happened here. Multiple week rejection also happened here. So so many dodgy candlesticks that was also formed here after pushing down was actually massive. It was actually massive. But what happened at this particular level, it has exhausted its trend. So it's trying to clear liquidity and gather much momentum to push the market up. And this is where it started going up. So this period is called the exhaustion phase. So those particular levels where the market gets tired, either in uptrend to keep going up or in downtrend to keep going down, is called the exhaustion phase. So these are just the things you need to look out for. If you want to know the reason why this exhaustion phase is being formed, then you need to know about key levels. I'll drop the video in the description of this particular video you're watching now. Just click on there and watch the video on key level. If you want to know more about the trend reversal, about candlestick trend reversal, I'm going to drop it in the description. And if you want to know more about charts and pattern reversal, I will swear drop it in the description of this video. This is just what I decided to share for free. And I always tell this thing to my mentors. I teach them psychological level. So if you're interested in my mentorship program, you are free to join my Telegram channel where you can get my link to my WhatsApp, and then we can chat anything you want. I'm going to end this video. Now. Please, and please, I want you to please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, so that the channel will keep growing. Subscribe, and then share the video. Like my video, like my content, because I always drop educative content on a daily basis. Go ahead and watch my videos and you enjoy all of them. Watch, enjoy, and learn. All right, guys. Bye.